Hi there, and welcome to Tuesday's Tips. My name is Jane Wesley Brooks. I am a certified family law specialist with JWB Family Law in San Diego, California. Today's topic is what resources are out there for you if you are contemplating or planning on a divorce or a separation from your spouse or any other family law issue, whether it's paternity, custody, visitation, whatever. Here is the big announcement for today. If you are a man or you know a man who is contemplating divorce or has any issues regarding family law matters, there is a new workshop in town. It's called Divorce for Men 101. And it is a resource that is a seminar that will be 2 hours, I believe. And it will allow men to come together and learn everything that they need to know initially about what it's like to go through a divorce, what the resources are. They'll be able to ask questions of experts, a family law attorney, a mediator, a divorce coach, forensics, or a financial expert in divorce. All of these resources will be available through this workshop. So if you know somebody who's contemplating going through a divorce and they're a male who is a friend of yours, a family member, whatever, this workshop is the first stop shop for figuring out what they need to do and how they need to do it. Good luck.